So in a previous video, we solved for the distance between -1, 0 and 1, 2, between these 2 points. But it also might be useful for us to find the midpoint between them. And we can do that using our midpoint formula, right? So our midpoint formula, if we recall, is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Right, and this may look familiar if you've ever had to find the midpoint between two numbers along a number line, or the average of two numbers, right? So if we had our number line here, and say we wanted to find the number that is in the middle, the midpoint between like 2 and 6, we can do that by saying, okay, we have 2 plus 6 divided by 2 is going to give us 8 over 2, which is 4. And sure enough, 1, 2 in this direction is 4, 1, 2 in this direction is 4, so 4 is our midpoint. So when we're looking for the distance between two points in a plane, it works almost exactly the same way. We want to find the distance, or excuse me, the midpoint of the x-coordinates and the midpoint of the y-coordinates. So if we look at these 2 points here specifically, we can call -1, 0 x1 x2, which I believe is the same as, or excuse me, x1 y1, which I believe is the same as we did in the last video, and we can call 1, 2 as x2 y2. So if we label those as so, we can just simply fill in for our formula here. So we have x1 plus x2 over 2 is going to be -1 plus 1 over 2, and that's going to give us our x-coordinate, and our y-coordinate is going to be y1, or 0, plus 2 over 2. And if we do out the arithmetic here, this is going to be 0 over 2, comma 2 over 2, which will be 0, comma 1. And that will be our midpoint between -1, 0 and 1, 2.